painted this best I could. Hopefully all turn one color, but. Hi, welcome back. I think this evening we're gonna work on this bed. I bought a wire wheel for a grinder on suggestion of Chris Hill. We'll give that a go. And if it works good, I'm gonna try to go as far as I can tonight. Hopefully between these two tubs and get all that paint and rust and dirt and grime all knocked back. And if we get that far, I may try to clean and paint. And I think that may do it for me tonight. Let's have to see how well it works. It says midnight and I gotta go work in the morning, so got a little bit of time, but I'm gonna go over that one real bad spot and see how much junk it kicks out. So I think it's gonna kick out a lot, and then we'll might look at that and see how we can go about fixing that and making it not look too bad. I think that's about what I got planned tonight. Hopefully this works well and we clean most of this bed off, and how about another can of rust reformer, spray it till it's empty. Anyways, let's head over there and I'll kind of show you a little bit more detail what I mean. All right, I'm wanting to get to at least half the tub, if not the whole bed tonight. We're gonna hit that area pretty hard with it. See what all comes out. But I'm thinking this might work pretty well if I got the right grinder for it. Start on this, and they may put some of that stripping gel on this red part here. So that red primer on it, and a little bit here. Just make sure we get all the paint off this, because I'm gonna paint this the self-etching primer as well. First we'll tackle this, and then we'll jump to that and put some goop on it and see what it does. Let me set you up here and we'll get to work. Well, here's what we got so far. Got about halfway. A little patch doesn't seem too bad. We got an issue right there with some holes. So you can see that wire wheel really busted through the floor right there. So have to do something with that. I think I'm gonna wipe it down and give it a few coats of this rust preventative. Probably gonna skip that area and this area here. But that wire wheel really took it off pretty quick and able to get down some of these pits. So I like how it looks. Do a quick coat over it and then we'll come back over here, put some of that stripper all right through here. Get this fender ready to be painted. Clean this off and then we'll start painting. All right, got some stripping gel on that. I don't think that's gonna bubble up. I think it's probably gonna turn into some kind of slimy stuff. We'll just have to wipe it off. But couldn't find a paintbrush, so we had to use a paper towel. Well, I may be wrong. Can already see it starting to bubble up. And painted this best I could. Hopefully I'll turn one color, but I think it looks half bad. Just need the paint to dry, but thank you, Chris, for recommending the wire wheel and the angle grinder. It really cut through that stuff pretty good. I think next time we'll maybe get these fenders or the tubs and continue on to the top here, or the top of the tubs. Kind of straight across here and try to get these sanded down. That way we can hit it with this. Another question I have is, I think that one right there and that one, and there's one over here and one over here, is for the rear seat. I don't know what that, and that one's for. If y'all could, if y'all know what it is, please let me know. And that's another sanding and painting day. I think I have a guy that's gonna help me with that, hopefully, here pretty soon. But anyways, yeah, I think that'll do it for me tonight. It's 2:30, so I need to go in. Well, I think that'll do it for me this evening. Like I said, it's 2:30 and I gotta get up and go to work here. Actually, about 4 hours. Anyways, we got that sanded down with that wire wheel on the grinder. It said it cut through that pretty good. It knocked the rust out of that hole. So we'll look at that soon. Other side, same spot. Starting to do it, so we'll have to address that as well. But I do like how the bed's turning out. I think once it dries, it'll look a lot better. We're gonna work on the tubs next time, getting those sanded down. And if we get those sanded down and we have enough time, we might start sanding back up towards the cab of the truck. Don't know if we'll make it that far or not, but we'll continue working back here until I line out somebody to help me with this. I ordered hinges that I wanted, and let me order them. I thought they'd be in this week, but they're on back order until September to early October. So I just canceled the order. I'll just keep looking, and we'll find some. Hopefully we can set the doors and get this welded in without the ones I want to use. Well, it's probably not the best way about going about it, but it'll be the only option I have, and moving forward with getting the body off the frame. If you like this kind of stuff, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Thank you to my new subscribers. It does mean a lot that you chose to join me on this journey. Thank you again. If you made this far, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out, and I'll see you next time.